We are on the road again. First stop, we gotta drop off Olivia to daycare. And then I'm gonna bring the excavator to the job site, drop that off, head back into town and get some gravel. And then we can get to work. There's a lot of dogs in there today. I imagine she's gonna be pretty pooped. That's perfect. I forgot to stop and get fuel, and my excavator is pretty much empty, so I gotta find a gas station or a diesel station. That's the tricky part. You gotta find a gas station that sells diesel. I mean, there's usually one that I always go to, but I passed it already. So hopefully we can find one. Okay, I found a spot to get some diesel, so I got some diesel. Now I'm just trying to turn around so I can get back in the traffic going the right way here. Oh man, that's the worst part about towing a trailer, is you can't easily get in and out of traffic. So I think I can turn around up here. Oh yeah, plenty of room. We got the excavator unloaded. Now it's time to get some gravel. We got the gravel, and now we're going to head back. In case you're wondering how much gravel that was, 2.66 tons. That was a tricky driveway to back up in. This is what you need for a grease gun right here. If you're going to be greasing a lot, it's a lifesaver. Alright, we got the gravel down and it is looking good. Let's take a little walk. Just gonna have to clean the edges up a little bit. Get them a little more straighter. It turned out good. We did around the shed here. What a difference. To the step. They say you can work hard or you can work smart, and let me tell you, using that excavator to shovel the gravel into the wheelbarrow, that's working smart. No doubt about it. So now I'm just going to head home, grab some lunch, and then I got to pick up some garden soil, and then we're going to do the front yard here. So let's head on over. What a beautiful day it is today. Man, it's nice. Spring is here, and I think it's here to stay, folks. Well, I just had a delicious lunch. Had some leftover spaghetti and meatballs. So good. Now, I'm on my way to Burnside. We're going to get some garden soil, and then we can put a garden in. So we just got the garden soil. It's looking fresh, looking good. Now we're going to head on back to the job site. Alright, so I'm going to take all this lovely soil here and I'm going to track it over here, and then we're going to bury all this crap and turn it into a garden. That's the plan, so let's get to it. Okay, we got the garden soil down, and it's looking like a bed now. Covered up all the roots and the rocks that were there. And now I'm planting some flowers in it, and it'll look great. I filled in a little hole over here. There's a little dip in the lawn, I filled that in. And that's what else, I gotta fill in this dip here. And there's dips all over the place that I'm going to be filling in. Probably won't be doing that till Monday though. Running out of time today. There's a few more things I got to do out back. And then we'll be done for the day. I have to put some more mulch there. Some mulch there. I think that might be it. I'll probably rake it out a little bit more just to make it look a little better, and I gotta cut some of the landscape fabric here. Other than that, it's looking good. It's turning out really good. Oh man, okay, so I'm gonna try and get to Helmsdale before they close so I can get some topsoil, because I might just finish this up on Sunday. It's supposed to rain on Monday, and I'd rather just get it done. That way the ground's not super wet and just a muddy mess. So get her done on the nice days and relax on the rainy days. That's how it goes. We're almost there. Gate's still open. It's looking promising. Sweet, I think we made it. Nothing like being a last minute shopper on a Friday. Six. See, I put my fingers up, tell him how much I want, how many tons I want, and then he fills me up. That's a heavy load, let me tell you. Thank you. Well, we got seven tons with that load, but that's okay because the trailer's good for 7.5 tons. All right, well, I'm done. I'm going home and enjoying my weekend. Thanks for watching.